Ladies and gentlemen, my video is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the website Pcidentitysecurity.site. Pcidentitysecurity.site. Some people see these pretty strange pop-ups. They may attack Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers. Pcidentitysecurity.site tries to make users pretty scared about the condition of their computers in order to force them into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups, don't trust them, don't interact with them. We recommend you to check your available applications and remove any suspicious items. If you see these pop-ups on your Windows computer, you need to check the control panel and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. And of course, you need to leave this deceptive page. We also recommend that you carefully research the computer with the help of reliable antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Go to this page, use this green download button, install the application, and then start thoroughly researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other threats from your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.